Sailing this morning as far as the weather concerned for the morning commute, but what about the evening commute, Pete?
I tell you what, Danielle, even the evening may look okay. We'll get a few showers at the south coast, but inland spots from Providence areas to the north may end up staying mostly rain-free during that time. So certainly a quieter weather day than yesterday. Of course, things are never quiet when we're tracking a hurricane. This is Hurricane Joaquin, and you can see a very impressive storm. This strengthened a lot overnight. It is now a Category 3, winds of 120 miles per hour. Now, this will meander down to the south, and then over the next 12 to 24 hours, turning back to the north. You notice that the official track actually turns it into a 3, perhaps a 4 briefly before cooling off in the northern Atlantic. That will likely weaken the storm into either a Category 1 or tropical storm by the time it gets towards the northeast, if it gets towards the northeast. Let me tell you what I mean. What we're talking about is multiple scenarios with this storm. Earlier this morning and late last night, the track was actually into the Carolinas, into the Outer Banks. This morning it shifted further to the east, and more changes are likely. So this exact track probably is the least likely track, as a lot of different things could happen. It could go further to the west. That would obviously be a bad situation for the mid-Atlantic. Even if it makes landfall in the mid-Atlantic, the leftovers could still get us with some heavy rain into next week. So it's not like we're completely out of the woods. Or it could get closer to us going over Long Island. That would be a bad situation in terms of storm surge and rain. If that were to happen, it would not be until the end of the weekend, likely not until next Monday or Tuesday. So still several days to watch this. And another scenario takes it out to sea. So tremendous in terms of the uncertainty level. You just need to stay tuned, and we will keep you updated. Here is some good news. A lot of our models have backed off on the precipitation for today. So for the most part, we're going to be in a lull. There will be a few showers, primarily at the south coast, but for Providence areas inland, don't be surprised if you get a spotty shower or two. The main story will be the brisk and windy conditions, much cooler than what we had yesterday. Some showers on the way for tomorrow. Steadiest for the coast. It'll be kind of off and on inland. Right now, the flood threat doesn't look that high, but we'll keep an eye on the south coast just in case. And then, of course, it's all about Joaquin Monday or Tuesday. Just stay tuned to future forecasts. It's really going to depend on the track of the storm. Looking at live Pinpoint Doppler 12, precipitation staying offshore, and our Futurecast details as well. This is 10 o'clock in the morning. A few little specks, a few little showers are possible for the south coast and into Cape Cod, southern Massachusetts, with this afternoon's forecast calling for the best chance of showers across coastal Massachusetts. Even into the south coast of Rhode Island, Narragansett, Newport, you would see a decent chance of showers. But I'm thinking Providence, north and west of I-95, maybe a few spotty showers, but a decent amount of rain-free time with more clouds and sun. But even a few peaks of sunshine are actually possible today. Then as we go overnight, notice the showers start to fill in a little bit from the south. So it's early tomorrow morning through tomorrow afternoon. We'll keep our eye on the south coast for some of these steadier showers, while there'll be a little bit more off and on for inland spots. Now, as we look at the Eyewitness News Threat Tracker in the low category today, and then from here on in, starting tonight, we'll put you in the medium category because of being on the lookout for Joaquin. Winds are at 23 miles per hour right now. Those temperatures are in the 50s, and what will likely cause a few of these showers today will not be Joaquin. It will be this front, which has already passed through, but it's going to backtrack just a little bit, trying to work to the north. So in the 7-day Futurecast, which I'm going to show you right now, actually before I do that, just a reminder, rough surf for the next several days into the weekend, with the primary flood threats being for the eastern Massachusetts coast. Not a washout for the weekend, but Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, that will depend on the eventual track of Joaquin. You can get more updates over on our website. Now for Jam Cam Traffic with Gina.